back, foodies and travelers, to the Empty Nest Life.
Today we are at Kitchen Social in Chesterfield, Missouri, and we're going to dive into the art of making classic beef Wellington. This dish is perfect for impressing guests or enjoying a special meal at home. Hi! Welcome!
Kitchen Social.
Chef Andy.
That's right, Chef Andy. Gonna cook some beef Wellington. It's gonna be good. Booty, 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 booty.
I'm ready to cook.
All right. The Kitchen Social offers a range of cooking classes, but today it's all about mastering the beef Wellington. Let's meet our chef instructor and get started.
I am Chef Laura, and this is my assistant Leslie, okay? If you need help with anything tonight, just shout out to us, questions, we are here to help you. It's just supposed to be fun. So you're cooking with me tonight. That's kind of how it goes. You can see on the screens up there, everything I'm doing, okay? We're in this together. I have prepped everything for you guys in advance, okay? Everything's kind of pre-measured, so just follow along, okay? But it's your food. You're gonna cook it to how you like it. So what you're gonna do is run your blade down, on the opposite side, down. It's not about speed. I know you see chefs do this really fast. It's about focusing on your angle.
Look at that. How's yours doing? Mushrooms. I gotta take the
But
stems.
save those stems because we're gonna cut them up as well.
Oh, look at that.
You can eat those
Came right off.
first. Slice up all those mushrooms. So to stop them from moving around, that's why I put my knife on top of it and I just smash my cloves. And then I'm going to go and thinly slice it. Start it. And that black mat underneath your cutting board is a drawer liner. You can use that to stop your cutting board from moving around, or you can use a wet towel.
My hands smell like garlic. Garlic.
Oh, garlic.
So I'm just going to add my green beans.
Like the green beans, Sandy? Green beans.
Alright.
Like cup pastry.
Yeah. There's on there.
Yeah, make sure you take that out.
Okay, you gotta sear the meat.
Right, so see it.
Yes, Andy.
And then we put it on here.
Yeah. Okay, Andy, we have to add the mushrooms.
Alright.
And the mushrooms are going to soak up all that oil. It's okay. You don't need more oil because the mushrooms are going to release their nap.
What are you adding?
I'm adding the ham.
Ham, okay.
There goes the ham. Go.
And then we're going to add all that garlic.
Oh, and then I'm gonna add
And then you're gonna So what are you adding?
I need more time. So I'm going to add the thyme.
Oh, great Scott.
Alright, here you go. That goes in there. And let's add all the garlic.
What are you adding?
I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to put a bunch of garlic in there. That smells good. Now we're going to mix it up.
Go ahead and salt and pepper that too.
Pepper in there.
Pepper that filling.
No salt. Yeah, that's good. Alright. This is pretty cool. Alright.
Dijon
This
mustard.
helps the
You gotta
mixture
paint the meat.
stick.
Gotta paint the meat.
Alright.
I feel like I'm in art class.
Upside down.
Okay, Andy, she said manhandle the pastry.
Alright, I'm gonna manhandle.
Okay,
Alright,
manhandle
There we
it.
go. There we
Stretch that nose. Bring it up.
go. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty easy. Oh my god, like that.
Bring it up. Bring it up. Pinch the seal.
Pretty
Seal
cool.
up any little holes.
That's actually a lot
And then
easier than I
flip it
thought.
over.
Let me get, I gotta get this one.
Beautiful side up.
Beautiful
good.
side up.
It's good.
Have a little hole. Yeah,
I'll,
pinch the
I'll
hole.
fix it.
Pinch the hole, Andy.
Alright. There we go.
Maybe we should tell Gordon Ramsay you're ready for your job.
I'm ready.
You're ready.
Shiny coats.
So now we're making risotto.
Gonna make risotto. Alright.
And she said you have to do a lot of stirring.
Top my spoon.
So a warrior rice is used to make
And 10 minutes later, we're still stirring the risotto.
Gotta keep stirring it.
Gotta keep stirring it.
Alright, now we need to add the white wine.
add that white wine.
Add that white wine.
Add your roasted garlic.
Ooh.
I'm gonna kind of smash those cloves up.
Roasted garlic.
Alright, good job.
We're gonna smash our cloves. Smash.
Roast that garlic in there.
Alright, add
I think it's chicken stock.
add a little bit at a time.
Add 3/4 cup of stock.
Alright, good job.
Okay, so here we are. 20 minutes later, we're still stirring the rice.
It's gonna be good.
Risotto takes a long time to cook, and you have to stir it the entire time.
I like it.
I put in my butter
Butter.
and my cheese.
Alright. Stir it again.
Yeah, I better stir it. It's risotto, it'll stick.
Good. Okay.
Beef Wellington with risotto and green beans.
What do you think of your beef Wellington?
I think I lost my fork. Now let's see the taste test.
That's really good.
How did we do?
We did good, I think. I think we did really good. That's good. I think yours is going to shot better this year. Alright. Looks good. Alright. Alright.
What's your name?
Andy.
Andy, thank you so much. So we're gonna talk about brownies. Best thing. This is a very simple recipe, but of course you can always use box mix at home if you want to. There's no shame, okay? Just remember your box mix ingredients are all your dry ingredients. You're just adding the wet, okay? So go ahead and add that butter to the pot. Melt up that butter. And of course, Don't do that.
Don't do that. I did not get it. It was all good though, but I did
Don't
not
do
do
on sides of the oval.
Right here?
Always do on the cap.
Alright.
Because you'll get a better crack.
There we go.
Less likely to get a shell in there.
Alright, I did not get a shell in there.
Alright, perfect.
Alright.
So butter. Swedish chef time. So whenever they say, don't overmix, don't overmix. You're not overmixing, don't worry, don't worry. Just mix it till it's combined. Just mix it till it's combined. But like, why do they say that? Okay? Fine. You're not making rolls. You're not making bread. You don't need to work the gluten, okay? That's why you just mix it till it's gone. Perfect. That's it.
Like the bowl.
You can like the spatula. Thank you. What a mess. What a mess you make.
What happens when a man cooks?
All right. So this is going to go in 350 oven about 15-20 minutes.
I'm building it.
I'm going to pour some toffee sauce over that. Do some heat bits. We have lids. You get.
Don't eat it.
Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our next adventure. And I'm gonna eat this now. It looks good. Alright, see you next time.
Kitchen social rocks. Follow the MT Nest life.